Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
To message me कि don't go into BB15, who the hell are you to decide that for me? My job is not to be Pratik's babysitter. I think I became last time, and I got a lot of galis for it, so I'm not interested at all this time. And I've seen some of the videos after coming out. Oh my God, he and I were mad together inside the house. मतलब मैं अपने husband को बोल रही थी मैंने अपनी इज्जत का कचरा कर दिया शो में जाके. लोग comments लिखते हैं, मुझे love letters आते हैं. मैं तो कुछ भी कर लूँ, मैं तो troll होना ही है. मतलब वो मैंने मान लिया. औरत ही बुरी है. औरत लड़के को seduce करती है. औरत लड़के को वश में ले लेती है. घर आके औरत सारा घर खराब कर देती है. उसी को जलाओ, उसी को काटो, उसी को मारो. My point is, I'm sorry, I stand against this culture.
First things first, how pumped up are you about entering the show?
I'm very excited. Actually, my Big Boss hangover never got over after I got out. I never thought that I would actually miss it. So I'm happy I'm going back. I manifested going back. So I'm happy I'm going back. And it's been good. Yeah, I came out. I did some work. I relaxed a little bit. Spent time with my family. Unfortunately, because of COVID, work, like shows and all are still picking up. So my musical career, I've written a few new songs. So when I come out, I hope to release them really soon. So I made use of my months very well, and I saw the game. I saw what's happening, what's not happening. What can I go inside and make happen? So I'm excited. I'm more excited this time because I've played it once. I have a little bit more perspective, and I feel like एक थोड़ा मंजू हुए खिलाड़ी वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. Maybe it's my overconfidence talking.
Things are different this time around since you're a wildcard entrant and you've seen the show.
I mean, of course, it's a very different concept. It's not like OTT. वो connections का game था, ये connections का game नहीं है. यहाँ पे I feel जो लोग आए हैं वो थोड़ा टीवी बैकग्राउंड से और ज्यादा है उनका. I feel the exposure is slightly more of this platform than I think the OTT के सारे लोग थोड़े से मतलब they were like me. Like a lot of people didn't know the platform or hadn't come from a reality. Some people had come from a reality show, not everybody. So Jangalwasi theme was very different, lot more aggressive, lot more harsh. I think OTT thrived a lot on emotions, and this one is thriving a lot more on like aggression and mind games and stuff like that. So I think it's the only thing that I've also felt it and people also saying it. एक थोड़ा difference है कि OTT घर में emotions बहुत थे और इसमें थोड़े कम है. तो मतलब आप एक OTT गैंग में थोड़ा देखते हैं शमिता, प्रतीक और निशान के बीच में, and I think people have a sense of nostalgia also with the people who have watched them. Because by the 5th week we were like literally हम लोग एक दूसरे के अंदर घुसे हुए. It's like that those bonds are missing in this house. I feel like a little bit. Like maybe they need to just get a little bit more. जो भी है झगड़ा भी कर रहे हो तो वो उसको भी मतलब जज्बात से करो और प्यार भी जज्बात से करो. Like they say in the Big Boss house, like you do or die. Like it's not, there's no midway ground, तो ये लोग एक ही चीज बहुत aggression से कर रहे हैं और वो है मारधाड़. Like pushing each other and all. वो उसमें बड़ा इनका जज्बा है. Right. But the Big Boss house is not about using your physical violence. It's not about that. It is, as Salman sir said, ये रिश्तों की गेम है. ये गेम है इमोशंस की. आप चाहे ना चाहे आपको दिल लग जाते हैं. कुछ लोगों से गुस्सा आ जाता है. तो I think मुझे लगता है कि राकेश और मैं अंदर जाके वो थोड़ा सा, because both of us are very emotional as people, both Rakesh also, me also. And I think Shamita has been missing both of us a lot. So कुछ थोड़ा जज्बात वापस आएंगे शो के अंदर. निशान आज बोल रहा था लाइव फीड में कि मुझे मेरा खिलौना नेहा बच्चन वापस चाहिए. I've been missing him. I'm missing my Diane, my Gantundi, and I've seen some of the videos after coming out. Oh my God, he and I were mad together inside the house. मतलब मैं अपने husband को बोल रही थी मैंने अपनी इज्जत का कचरा कर दिया शो में जाके. इतनी गंदी शक्लें बनाई हैं और अपने मुंह पे मैंने क्या क्या बना लिया मैंने. मतलब I have never done this on national television ever in my life. So somewhere I'm missing all that. I mean I'm missing the clown and so मजा आएगा.
What do you have to say about BB co-contestants and good friends Shamita, Pratik and Nishan's game right now?
See, I think Shamita is playing for herself, and I think so is Pratik. I think this is the only time I felt like Nishan for the first time is not completely playing for himself. Like he was so different in OTT. Like he was a mastermind of our house, and here for some reason he is not. Like he's थोड़ा protecting Pratik. इनिशियली कंफ्यूज था. करण को भी खुश करना है, प्रतीक को भी खुश करना है. अब थोड़ा प्रतीक के बारे में प्रोटेक्टिव भी है. तो आई थिंक वो अभी अपने आप को ढूंढ रहा है. ये तीनों दे बिकम इकट्ठा जब घर किसी के अगेंस्ट होता है, बट अदरवाइज ये साथ में नहीं खेल रहे इन माय ओपिनियन. they're not. I think it's just that they have that emotional connect with each other, where they feel safe with each other. जब घर में कुछ होता है तो सारे इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं. तो देखते हैं अंदर जाके कि what works. Solo game works better or playing together works better, but you definitely need allies in the house. ये बोलने वाली बात है कि अकेले खेलो, ये करो, वो करो, बट सबको एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम चाहिए होता है उस घर के अंदर. ये जो भी बोलते हैं वो झूठ बोलते हैं, गलत बोलते हैं. तो let's see when we go in what happens now.
Who do you think is playing the smartest but may or maybe actually be smart? Why?
I think Vishal Kotian, like he thought he was smart, but he's not. I'm not saying he's not smart, but like वो कहीं ना कहीं अपने खुद के ट्रैप में गिरे जा रहे हैं बार बार. बाकी अभी ना इनका कुछ पूरी तरह समझ नहीं आ रहा है. मतलब देखो मुझे आई फील कंफ्यूज व्हेन आई वॉच देम. लाइक क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि आई थिंक सब अभी अपनी allies ढूंढ रहे हैं कि ये बेटर है कि ये. लाइक कुछ लोग OTT क्राउड की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं, लेकिन फिर वहां झगड़ा हो जाता है. वो कंफर्टेबल नहीं फील कर पा रहे. उनको लगता है कि OTT क्राउड हमको अंदर नहीं आने दे रहा. कुछ लोग आना चाहते हैं. तो वो एक डिवाइड है, मतलब एक फीलिंग है, लेकिन वो OTT क्राउड भी पूरा साथ में नहीं है. मतलब एक यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, लाइक देयर इज अ कंफ्यूजन राइट नाउ व्हिच आई एम सेइंग. एम आई राइट? But I don't know how honestly the dynamics could be very different this time, because like I said that I am also going in for myself. Matlab my job is not to be Pratik's babysitter, you know. So I'm not going to be his babysitter this time, which I think I became last time, and I got a lot of galis for it, so I'm not interested at all this time. He's a grown man, he can play his own game, and all the best to him for that. So I don't know, that's something I don't know. Maybe you see very different dynamics when we go inside this time. I was the gluing point of a lot of people, and I don't know if I want to be that anymore. So that's why you changed the game.
A different Big Boss was going on outside for you. How taxing does it get to keep it up?
See, the first thing that I felt when I came out was, a lot of sadness, because for me the biggest thing was कि जो भी है, मैंने अंदर किसी का बुरा नहीं किया कभी. I only stood by people. I spent a lot of time mending their hearts. I spent a lot of time loving people. झगड़े हुए हैं, मैं मना नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm talking about the people who are my friends. I'm not talking about people who are not my friends. लेकिन उसके बावजूद मुझे मतलब फालतू का इतना ट्रोलिंग मिला है कि see, you have a problem with something, you say that, but to label me a certain way as a person, to character assassinate me, कि you have certain, for example, the audience, तो talking about the trolls, अगर आपकी कोई moral values हैं जो मेरी moral values से maybe match नहीं करती हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप बाकी सारी चीजें भूल जाओ जो मैंने शो पे करनी है, right? So at the end of the day, I got nominated for Nishant and Moose to save his and Pratik's friendship, and still I was blamed for breaking their friendship. The fact of the matter is that after a point, Nishant and Moose were not Pratik's friends on the show, and we should acknowledge that. I was his friend. I stood by him till the end. I sacrificed my game for him, and this is why I am not in BB15 today. He is. And it surprises me that people cannot see that, that this is not the kind of sacrifice people make on a show for other people. But I made it, and he knows it. He's acknowledged it. But even after that, just to glorify a man and to put hate on a woman, if you can go to this extent, इसी को तो bitch hunting बोलते हैं. This is what you call bitch hunting. कि औरत को हमेशा औरत ही बुरी है. औरत लड़के को seduce करती है. औरत लड़के को वश में ले लेती है. घर आके औरत सारा घर खराब कर देती है. औरत ही सब कुछ है. मतलब उसी को जलाओ, उसी को काटो, उसी को मारो. My point is, I'm sorry, I stand against this culture. And if everyone's protecting themselves, and today I protect myself, yeah. Because my heart and my friendships is not for free. I'm sorry, it is not for free. So today, and people might be like, यार ये मतलब इतना importance क्यों दे रही है? Because ये मेरी जिंदगी है. This is my life, and this is my heart. It's the most precious part of my life. So मैंने अपना सारा काम जिंदगी में आज तक जो भी जिस मुकाम तक पहुंची, अपने दिल से पहुंची. मैंने दिमाग से नहीं खेला, मैंने हमेशा दिल से किया. तो जो मेरे सबसे प्रेशियस चीज है, उसको अगर तुम लोग उसको कुचल के people will character assassinate me, I will not tolerate it. I'm sorry. I'm not going to be okay, and if there will be repercussions in other people's lives because of it, so be it. To message me कि don't go into BB15, who the hell are you to decide that for me? If you're so scared that his game is so lame, then you should not idolize him in the first place, na? That means you're scared that he doesn't have a game. I mean, this surprises the shit out of me, to be honest with you. The kind of shit people talk, They need to get their heads out of their asses and think a little bit. That's what I feel.
True. They do.
A lot is going on in the house, especially the violence, and there's been talks about partiality too. What do you have to say?
See, I don't know about the partiality, but the surprising bit is कि घर वाले अपनी आवाज क्यों नहीं उठा रहे? Because जब घर वाले आवाज उठाते हैं तो they take a call, they take an action. I have seen that in my season also. When Karan Kundra threw Pratik, I was shocked. I mean, honestly, I couldn't believe my eyes. I wrote about it also, and I still got trolled for it, by the way. So no point talking about it. But anyway, so मैं तो कुछ भी कर लूँ, मैं तो troll होना ही है. मतलब वो मैंने मान लिया. So मैंने उस टाइम पे भी बहुत मतलब बोला, and I was surprised कि ये how was this okay? But घर वाले क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हैं, मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि why are they not seeing like this as violence? So I don't know. I'm a little surprised by it. I'm not going to lie because I'm personally very against physical violence, and I'm also very afraid of it because मेरे को चोट मैं तो वैसे भी फर्स्ट सीजन में भी अपना पैर तोड़ के गई थी, तो मैं तभी भी बहुत डरी हुई थी भाई किसी ने मुझे एक धक्का मार दिया तो आई विल ब्रेक माय लेग कंप्लीटली. पर हमारे में इतना अग्रेशन था नहीं, तो इन लोगों को क्या प्रॉब्लम है, इतना टेस्टोस्टेरोन किस बात का है इनको? Even when I went on the BB panel discussion, that's what I said. I said there's too much testosterone in this show, man. We need to calm down. Bring in some estrogen, some emotions, and calm down on the testosterone.
Lastly, your message to fans.
You know, my fans and supporters write love letters to me. लोग comments लिखते हैं, मुझे love letters आते हैं. And they are such beautiful letters, such beautiful words. मुझे लगता है कि अच्छा ऐसे भी इस दुनिया में ऐसे भी लोग हैं, मेरे जैसे लोग भी हैं जो दिल से सोचते हैं, जो दिल से प्यार करते हैं. You know, they protect me like a family. Like there's a line I used to tell Shamita inside, you're fine, you're safe, you're protected. They send me those kind of messages every day. So I feel like representing them. I feel like going back because of them. And I really want to thank all my ND warriors. They call themselves that. कि दिन भर बैठ के hate को combat करते हैं लेकिन कभी किसी को गाली नहीं देते. You know, my fans never engage in fan wars. They never engage in hate. But I would just say one thing to each one of them who are listening: hate दो मत, लेकिन किसी की hate लो भी मत. You know, ये culture के against जरूर खड़े हो. इस टाइम मेरे पेज पे trolling मत होने देना. Let my mother know that I have fans, that I have people who know how to speak up, and let the hate drown in the love that you have. That's all I have to say. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.